What concept in anthropology refers to the tendency to view one's own culture as the most important and correct, and to use it as a standard for judging other cultures? Answer B. Ethnocentrism.
Which of the following is a primary function of the endosperm in angiosperm seeds? Answer B. Storage of nutrients for the embryo.
What is the primary limiting factor for plant growth in most desert biomes? Answer C. Water availability.
Which bioinformatics approach aims to identify genes in a genome solely based on statistical patterns and sequence intrinsic features, without relying on experimental evidence, like ESTs or RNA-seq, or homology to known genes? Answer C. Transcript-based gene prediction.
What is the primary astronomical body responsible for generating the majority of tidal forces on Earth? Answer D. The Moon. Which of the following best describes the primary goal of semantic interoperability in informatics, particularly when dealing with heterogeneous datasets? Answer B. To ensure that data from different sources can be exchanged and understood by computer systems and humans without ambiguity.
Which of the following animal groups exclusively exhibits radial symmetry throughout its entire life cycle? Answer C. Cnidaria. Which
of the following processes is the primary method by which phytoplankton convert inorganic carbon into organic compounds, forming the base of the marine food web? Answer C. Photosynthesis.
Which psychological phenomenon describes how the way information is presented, e.g., emphasizing potential gains versus potential losses, can significantly alter an individual's choices, even when the objective outcomes of the choices are identical? Answer C. Framing effect.
What does the principal quantum number, n, primarily describe in an atom? Answer C. The energy level and size of an atomic orbital.
Which of the following describes the behavior of a superconductor below its critical temperature? Answer C. It expels magnetic fields from its interior, Meissner effect.
Which of the following describes a substance that completely dissociates into its ions when dissolved in water, producing a high concentration of H+ ions? Answer C. Strong acid.
Which geological era is known as the Age of Fishes, due to the significant diversification and abundance of fish, particularly jawed fish? Answer C. Paleozoic era.
Which bioinformatics tool is primarily used for predicting RNA secondary structure? Answer C. M-fold.
Which stage of cellular respiration directly produces the most ATP molecules per glucose molecule? Answer C. Electron transport chain.